Hello YouTube family, welcome back. Let's provide a solution given this math problem. Okay, so we are supposed to determine what is the value of a plus b plus c, given that ab is equal to 200, bc is equal to 300, and ca is equal to 400. Okay, so the first step from here, is to determine the value of ab multiplied by bc divided by CA. Okay, now as you can see, AB is equal to 200 multiplied by BC, which is 300, divided by CA. CA is equal to 400. Okay, now from here, if you simplify, you're going to have, if you simplify everything here, C and also A, you're going to have B squared. This is equal to by 450. So this is 150. Okay, so b squared is equal to 150. Now we proceed to step 2, whereby we determine the value of a squared, which we determine as ab multiplied by ca divided by bc. Okay, so as you can see, our ab is 200 multiplied by 400, which is ca, divided by bc. bc is equal to 300. Okay, so from here we simplify. Okay, see, so that you're going to have a times a, which is a squared. You also simplify here. Okay, so that you're going to have 200 times 4 divided by 3. 200 times 4, this is 800 divided by 3. Okay, so that is the value of a squared. Let's move to step 3, which is to determine the value of c squared, which is determined as bc multiplied by ca divided by ab. Okay, so if you simplify here, the value of bc is 300 multiplied by ca, which is 400, divide everything by ab, which is 200. Okay, so if you simplify here, you will simplify b and also simplify a, so that you have c times c, which is c squared. This is equal to, again you simplify here, 300 times 2, this is equal to 600. Okay, now that is the value of c squared. Now for us to determine the value of a plus b plus c, we are going to use the distributive property as follows. So we have a plus b plus c squared. This is expressed as a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 into the bracket ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now from our case here, we have that a squared is equal to 800 divided by 3 plus b squared from our calculations, b squared is equal to 150. Okay, so we have 150 plus c squared, which is 600. Okay, this is plus 2 multiplied by ab. Our ab from what we have is 200 plus bc is 300. Okay, then plus ca, which is equal to 400. So we are saying that for us to determine the value of a plus b plus c, we are going to use the distributive property, which states that if you have a plus b plus c squared, this is supposed to give us a squared plus b squared plus c squared plus 2 multiplied by ab plus bc plus ca. Okay, now we are going to substitute the value of a squared, the value of b squared, and c squared from as we have calculated earlier. So the value of a squared is equal to 800 over 3, as you can be able to, because you can see this is the value of a squared plus b squared, which is equal to 150, as you can see, then plus the value of c squared, which is equal to 600 as we have calculated. All right. Now from there, we are going to add, plus 2 multiplying by 200 plus 300 plus 400. Okay. Now from here, we are going to have 800 divided by 3 plus, this is 150 plus 600, this is 750, okay, then plus 2 multiplying by, this is 200 plus 300, which is 500, plus 400, which is 900, okay. Now from here, you're going to have 800 divided by 3 plus 750 plus 900 times 2, this is 1800, okay. Okay, now from here again, you're going to have 800 over 3 plus 750 plus 1800. This is supposed to give us a value of 2550. That is 2550. Okay, so we have 800 over 3 plus 2550. So this is a whole number, so it's over 1. So we can get the LCM, which is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times 800. This is 800 plus 3 divided by 1 is 3 times 2550. And this is supposed to give us 7650. So that we'll have 800 plus 7650. This is giving us a value of 8450 divided by 3. Okay. Now from here, we have that a plus b plus c squared, this is equal to 8450 divided by 3. Okay. So that is the value of a plus b plus c squared. Okay. Now for us to determine the value of a plus b plus c, we are going to get that is a plus b plus c, we are going to get the square root of 8450 divided by 3. Okay. Now from here, we can be able to get the factors of 8450 as follows. So if you say 8450 divided by 2, we are going to have 4225. Okay, so if you say 4225 divided by 5, this is supposed to give us 845. That is 845. Again, we divide by 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 169. And if you divide 169 by 13, this is supposed to give us 13. And here you will have 13 and 1. So that means that the factors of 8450, this is equal to 2 multiplied by 5 squared multiplied by 13 squared. Okay, so let's substitute these values here, so that we're going to have a plus b plus c, this is equal to square root of 2 multiplied by 5 squared multiplied by 13 squared, okay, divide by 3. Okay, so in this case we can be able to get the square root of 5 squared. Okay, so that you'll have, this is the square root of 2, okay, multiplying by, now the square root of 5 squared, this is this 2 and the square root sign simplifies, so you have 5 multiplying by 13 divided by square root of 3. Okay, now from here we're going to have a plus b plus c is equal to, this is 13 times 5, this is equal to 65, multiplying by square root of 2, divide everything by square root of 3. Okay, so that confirms that the value of a plus b plus c, this is equal to 65 square root of 2 divided by square root of 3. Okay, so this is the value of a plus b plus c. Okay, so thank you for watching and kindly subscribe.